Smell like cats peed on my motorcycle again. I wish there was a way to keep the stray cats out of my yard. Yeah. Well, I am on my way to go pick up my older sister, so we can have lunch and play some Halo. And this will be the first time that my older sister has ever been on a motorcycle. So, yeah, we're just crafting all my family all the way around. I'll have to get there and explain to her all the rules and everything like that. And actually, maybe I better stop real quick and make sure that I actually grabbed a helmet. I think I did, but if I get all the way there and I don't have the helmet, that's not gonna be good. I did not grab the helmet. Okay. Let me go back. Well, it's a good thing I checked because I absolutely did not grab the helmet. Left it sitting in my yard. Okay. Try this again. Okay, so now I'm actually on my way to go get my sister this time with the helmet in tow. And then, so I say this is her first time on a motorcycle. I've so far, I don't know what's going on down there, but I've so far introduced just my niece to motorcycles. You know, and those are rookie numbers. I got to get those numbers way up. I got to introduce lots of people to motorcycles. So hopefully, hopefully I get my younger sister interested in motorcycles too. Okay, I'm here.
Every time I open the door, stupid fly flies in. I've already killed like 8 of them.
Now, Kelly, I'll grab your helmet here, and you'll have to put your stuff in the trunk here.
I brought this, and I wasn't sure if I needed it, just in case.
Now I need to put my glasses back on. And then you can either hang on to this thing or you can hang on to me, either way.
I'll probably hang on to you.
Huh?
I'll probably hang on to you.
Alright, yes, it's her first time on the bike. So far she seems to hope she likes it. If you have to move a little bit to adjust yourself, make sure you do it while we're moving and not like when we're coming to a stop.
Oh, I will.
Because slow speeds is when it's harder to keep upright. When you're going fast, the bike wants to stay upright. But like right now would be a bad time to be moving around. Yeah. I just suddenly decided maybe I should. I'm gonna put the kickstand down and then have you jump off, and then I'll park it.
Okay, well, I'll try to get off without...
Decided kind of spur of the moment here, we'd stop at Taco Bell and get something to eat, and then we're gonna eat it before we head back to the house. May regret it later, because you know, Taco Bell, it passes through you like a bad burrito.
Now you want like...
Yep. Jane seems to be comfortable back there on the motorcycle. Thought about going to ride the pigtail trail today, but then I decided I had things to do, and I ended up doing stuff around the house this morning. And then then Jane texted me and said she wanted to come over and play Halo, so throw axes here. Okay, I'll have you jump off and then I'll park it. I always have Missy get off before I park it too, because I figure if I'm ever gonna drop it, it's while I'm trying to go around that tree. So what'd you think?
I liked it.
All right.
Hey, look at those two idiots.
Let's get stuff out of here.
I'll leave my jacket because...
Oh, and make sure and clean the lint trap out if it needs it. Okay, love you, baby doll.
Love you too.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, love you.
Bye.
Bye.
So now that we're back at the house, we're gonna play some Halo. I got lots of buddies here on the couch to help me. Say hi. Well, it's several days later and I'm finally getting around to editing this video. I planned on having it up the Wednesday after I rode with my sister, but you know, things didn't happen that way. And so Jane really enjoyed riding and she wants to ride again. It's unlikely she'll actually ride her own motorcycle since she doesn't actually drive a car either. So, but some good news. I got my drone back. It's not broken, and not even the propellers are broken, and it powers up and flies perfectly. The nice people that I camped with when I was in Nebraska were able to get it out of the tree with a golf ball on a bait casting rod, and they sent the golf ball to me as well, which I think was kind of neat. And I recently got a GoPro Hero 9 Black to replace the GoPro 7 that was stolen while I was in Nebraska, and this will make an appearance on my channel soon. I'll start using it. I hope to make a lot more motorcycle trips, and including a trip to the Indian Motorcycle Factory and Museum in Spirit Lake, Iowa, but I'm not going to be able to do that this year because I don't have any vacation time. But I am going to try to make more local trips and do some more moto camping and stuff like that. I'm trying really hard to get more videos out on a more consistent basis for you guys, but it's really difficult when I'm working so much mandatory overtime. So, but I'm doing what I can, and hopefully you do enjoy the content that I am getting out. I really appreciate you guys watching and commenting and all that good stuff. And if you like what you see, subscribe down below. Also, I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this GoPro, but I don't think I'll do it on this channel. I'll probably do it on my main channel. So if that's the case, I will put a link down below when I do it. I really appreciate you guys watching. Ride safe, have fun, keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up.